How to earn coins fast in Vita Mahjong. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can earn coins fast using this game, which is going to be Vita Mahjong. Now there is actually no tips or secrets in doing this, but as you progress in playing the game most of the time, you should be able to unlock daily rewards or daily tasks. So all you have to do once you pull up the game, even if you go into the three lines at the top right, you will not be able to see options as to watch some ads for you to earn extra coins. What you want to have to do at first, once you level up and progress the game, what you reach around level 10 above, is you should be able to unlock daily tasks and challenges. Now, what you want to have to do next is, of course, to complete daily challenges consistently because it will refresh every 24 hours to gain a steady stream of coins. Now, once you reach daily task, then that's going to be the time that you can watch advertisement as it utilizes the prompt to watch video ads and to double rewards or gain free shuttles and hints. Now, master scene rewards, clear all task tasks, use boosters wisely, and participate in special events. And that's pretty much it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to speed up or earn coins fast in Vita Mahjong.